Are you ready to unlock the ultimate income potential with AI? Today, we compare 3 AI tools: ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Each of these tools has unique capabilities. But which one can truly maximize your earnings in 2026? ChatGPT sparked the AI revolution. Claude redefined writing quality. And Gemini brought Google's knowledge superpower into the mix. The stakes are high for online earners. Let's find out which AI tool delivers the best results. Here's how I evaluated each tool. I tested them across 6 vital categories: writing quality, speed and efficiency, research and accuracy, creativity following instructions, and income use case. Each tool gets a score from 1 to 10. In the end, we will crown the ultimate winner. Let's get started with ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool revolutionized conversation with AI. ChatGPT earns an 8 for writing quality. It produces clean, readable content, perfect for various tasks. Response speed receives a 9. It excels in delivering prompts without lag. Research offers an 8. With web access, it finds accurate information swiftly. Creativity stands at 8. ChatGPT excels in generating ideas for your content needs. It's very responsive too, scoring 9 in following detailed instructions. Overall, ChatGPT is an all-around powerhouse, scoring 42 out of 50. Next, we'll explore Claude by Anthropic. Claude shines with a perfect 10 in writing quality. Its text is nuanced, natural, and engaging. Speed is slightly behind at 8, yet still impressive. Research and accuracy also rate an 8. Claude tackles complex topics effectively. Creativity matches up at 9, producing fresh ideas consistently. It earns a perfect 10 in following instructions, making it exceptional for detailed tasks. Claude is a writing powerhouse, scoring 45 out of 50. Lastly, let's assess Gemini by Google. Gemini scores a 7 for writing quality. It provides functional content but lacks depth. Its speed and efficiency earn a strong 9. Research is where it truly excels, scoring a perfect 10. Gemini excels at finding current data and facts. Creativity scores a 7. While functional, it rarely offers unique perspectives. Following instructions earns an 8. It performs well on straightforward tasks. Gemini is a strong contender, scoring 41 out of 50. So who wins this battle? Claude leads with 45, followed closely by ChatGPT at 42 and Gemini at 41. But there's more to consider. The real power lies in how we use these tools together. Here's a strategic plan for maximum results. First, use Gemini to identify trending topics and data. Next, hand over your selected topic to Claude for high-quality content. Finally, let ChatGPT manage the entire workflow, organizing tasks and automating processes. Imagine a YouTube channel focused on AI topics. Start with Gemini to discover trending questions. Then, utilize Claude to craft a compelling script. Finally, rely on ChatGPT to format and distribute your content effortlessly. This 3-tool system enhances efficiency and income potential. Let's recap. ChatGPT offers versatility, Claude excels in quality, and Gemini shines in research. Together, they create a powerful content generation system. Maximize your income potential today. Sign up for all 3 tools. They all offer free options. Test them and see how they can boost your earnings. Which AI tool do you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech for daily insights. Join us tomorrow for a look at the best AI stack for beginner freelancers. Don't miss it!